Big Bear. And that fucking dot had put a sticker on the label again, man. I ripped it off and the face of the Big Bear came right off. 40 ounces of malt liquor. It's a malt liquor Thanksgiving, man. Bullseye. Cheers, boy. Happy Thanksgiving. Malt liquor. Damn. This bitch is ice cold. I'm talking icy cold, man. Big Bear. The faceless Big Bear. Rugby 721. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to Clown Shoes. I was hanging out in Long Island, New York. Clown Shoes territory. Malt liquor. Malt liquor. Label out, dudes. See that Big Bear? I noticed Dorf took the Big Bear video off already. Not much to say. Well, there is much to say, but not with this video. This is just a happy Thanksgiving 40. It's actually the first one I've had in about 5 weeks. It's been a long time since I made a video. So I thought it was time to make a malt liquor video, which I am doing right now. Excuse me. Those are some bubbly, foamy burps, dude. Those are foamy burps, dude. Damn. Be foaming up. Making myself laugh, dude. Swilling it. Swilling it, bitches. Swilling this motherfucker. Happy Thanksgiving to all. To all get shit-faced on malt liquor. There it is. Got some room for the swill now. Cheers. Oh shit. A little TCB 40 foam in here. Can't let that happen, man. Happy Thanksgiving, man.